Well, good morning, everybody. It is Friday. I think we can all look forward to this first weekend of February. Nicer weather on the way the next couple of days. A warm front pushing through here during the day. Now, not everybody's going to get that warm front through, though. Unfortunately, out east, it will not move through, so it's going to be a little chillier in the 30s on the other side of that front. 40s to the west and south of that front here. Now, we'll get some breaks in the clouds, especially during the middle part of the day before more clouds roll in later this afternoon. And it will be breezy with south and southwest winds up there around 10 to 20 miles per hour in central and eastern portions of Nebraska. As we head into tonight, a pretty quiet night ahead of us. I did take out the chances of moisture. It was a slim chance anyway. In fact, skies will try to clear up a little bit later in the night before clouds move back in early tomorrow. Now, a cold front's actually going to come through earlier in the day. Now, this is more of a wind shift than anything. The cold air is lagging quite a bit behind this cold front, so we're not going to see a cold day tomorrow. We'll see more of a northwesterly wind once that front moves through, and it will get a little on the breezy side. Early clouds should give way to a little more sunshine later in the day, and it will be actually pretty nice. 40s north, 50s south, and we should be around the 50-degree mark in the Tri-Cities for tomorrow. And then as we get towards Saturday night, that's when the clouds will be on the increase. Temperatures plummet as cold air dives southward through the area. And then here comes chances of snow first off to the northwest and then shifting towards the area later in the night, Saturday night, and into early on Sunday morning. This is as far out as my forecast model goes here, but it indicates light to moderate snow moving in early on Sunday morning. This will continue through the morning hours, and then I think by the afternoon, most of the snow is done. In fact, we may even try to clear up the skies a little bit, but it will be a cold and breezy Sunday on the way, so the winds could be blowing that snow around a little bit out there. So how much snow are we talking? This isn't going to be a big snow maker, but a light, fluffy snow. You don't need a lot of moisture to accumulate pretty decently out there. So I think half inch to an inch and a half, 2 inches is going to be pretty common out there. And I think some people may get upwards of 3 inches of snow, even though you're not seeing it on this map here. 3 inches is going to be possible in some spots, but I think most of us, a half inch to an inch and a half, 2 inches, pretty common out there with this snow. And not expecting a lot of drifting of snow, but winds up there around 15 to 20, 25 miles per hour. There is going to be some blowing snow, so there is going to be a reduction in the visibility out there, especially for Sunday morning if you have some church plans, heading to church on Sunday morning, for instance. Well, as we transition over to today's weather, again, a nicer day today compared to yesterday's cold conditions. Still a little colder to the east. On the other side of that front, those areas that still have snow on the ground, we're looking at mid to upper 30s, lower 40s up there in the north. Out west, mostly mid 40s for highs. Some of the chillier conditions, North Platte, Imperial, a little snow still left on the ground out there. Tri-Cities area, low to mid 40s for highs. Farther south, mid to upper 40s in northern Kansas. A little on the breezy side as well. Also breezy out towards the east here as we see partly sunny skies. Temperatures mid to upper 30s, lower 40s around the Hebron and Belleville, Kansas area. We continue with the temperature swings in the coming days ahead. A little bit better today, a little breezy. Tomorrow, 50 degrees, breezy northwesterly winds, then temperatures plummet Saturday night and into the day Sunday. It will be on the cold side. And again, here comes that snow chance here late Saturday night into Sunday, especially Sunday morning, not so much Sunday afternoon. A couple of inches are possible. Monday, we're actually back into the 30s, but it is a very short-lived warm-up as another cold front comes through late in the day, and that's going to bring in our next chance of rain and snow, changing to all snow by later on Monday night as it gets colder. Some of that snow, light snow, may linger into early on Tuesday. A colder day Tuesday, but then back into the 30s on Wednesday and near 40 on Thursday with dry conditions then for Wednesday and Thursday. I think the snow chances will stay off to our sorry, I skipped that graphic there, or went too far on my graphics, I should say. But again, anyway, the snow chances will stay to our north on Wednesday and for Thursday here. So again, up and down, up and down. That's kind of the weather pattern we're in. That's not changing between now and the middle of the month. And we get those occasional precipitation chances here, including a little bit of that accumulating snow coming in for the second half of the weekend. So there you go. There is your forecast for today. Until next time, which will be next Monday morning, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great weekend and God bless.